Hello folks, today we're doing a new construction inspection and I wanted to share something that I like to see and I'm loving seeing it. And these are wall partitions. And what it is this where a wall will die right into here. You see it coming across over here and it dies right into here. Now, a lot of times you'll see what we call, and you'll see this in our other videos where they do this, but they use ladder framing. So they just put a 2x4 across, 2x4 across. But actually, I like it like this because you're gonna have less nail pops. It's gonna be secure. And in this particular application of how they're building it, this is perfect. But this is what we like to see. We don't see many of these partition walls by the carpenters in a lot of our union jobs and some other jobs. But this is really a great way, and it'll cut down on how many nail pops. So if you're actually doing a building and you want to make sure that you don't have that kind of a problem and you want to do a little bit better, this is it. Well, thanks folks for watching our videos. I hope it's been educational. You like what you're watching? Hey, hit like and subscribe. We would love it. Share them with your friends. And I thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Galloway Building Services. We do new construction inspections all the time. Also, we do expert witnessing litigation in case you ever have a problem with your builder. Thanks, guys. Folks, thank you.